we are back finally. No, I haven't been uploading quite a while, but I was quite busy and quite fucked up, actually. Like, seriously. So, as you might have known, my new collection is dropping January 27, just 4 or 5 days out, and it's been quite a fuck up. Like, there are so much work left to do. Facebook to manage the Facebook, and still the website is not complete. Even the security, the email and marketing lists, the email marketing and SMS marketing haven't been started yet. It's so much of a fuck up. I don't know what to do. There is a even major fuck up in my life. So the thing is, my boards are in about a month. It's not even a month left, and I haven't fucking completed my syllabus till now. I don't know why. I try to do, but it's fucking happening. Never gets completed. It's a major fuck up. I haven't done physics in a month, and the first exam is physics. I don't know what to do. Let's see. Things can't remain the same. I really mean that. Like, if I continue to do things like this, obviously that's a sure thing that I would not get the desired outcome. I seriously need to change. I haven't been studying the amount of I should study. I haven't been working the amount of I should work. I haven't been creating the content I should be creating. There's no content on YouTube from the past about 2 months. I don't know why I completely forgot about YouTube, but it's okay. It's life. Trying to get back on track. Let's see. I started a series on Instagram. Was so fucking scared to do that, but still started, because at the end of the day, it's the action you take that matters, not the other people's opinions. I'm really stressed. I watch reels all day. I know it's a big major thing, but I don't know what to do. I seriously watch reels all day. I really think now that the moms were right. It's the damn fucking phone, man. Once you leave the phone, there is so much you can do. There's so much you could do. Like, from the past 2 days, I haven't been touching my phone, or at least scrolling through Instagram or Reels before 6 p.m. I do reply to some of the work mails or SMSs. That's important. I can't avoid that. But I avoid watching Reels or anything scrolling before 6 p.m. in the evening. And the 2 past fucking days have been so amazing in productiveness. I have done so many things. I created the content I wanted to start. I'm recording this right now because my mind is clear. I really need to keep up with this. I think I will gonna extend the time from 6 p.m. to about 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. From the past 2 days, it's been an amazing experience. Like, I have completed all my to-do list. Let's see, man. At first, like about 6 months ago, I was miserable. I loved my phone, watching reels all day, sitting on the bed. But now I completely fucking hate it. It's the worst thing that could have ever happened to me. Like, I was the kid who got all the freedom in the world from the parents and didn't use a single thing, and did a single thing that could have harmed them with considering my freedom. Like, there are many kids or people who take their freedom for lightly and do things that they shouldn't be doing. Like, some of the people I know don't have so much freedom, but they still do vape and everything. I really hate that. I've never took advantage of my freedom. But this is the one thing that I hate. I got my phone from class 6th, I'm currently in class 12. It's been 7 fucking years, and the only major thing that hold me back is the fucking phone. And from the past 2 years, reels. So let's see what solution we can take out from that. I really hope we can do something because I don't want to ruin the things. Also, check out my new collection. Link in the description. And follow me on Instagram. That's it for today.